here we are celebrating a big event and a milestone for the American University by signing a partnership with HQH to foster the higher education and to help our students to get better clinical rotation and better clinical experience. Those students will serve the community of Scilly. We also have a plan to foster the research side of our partnership.
Through this MOU, we have two main goals. The first goal will be initiating a chain of research through which we will be specifically targeting the factors, including, let's say, the environmental factors and the genetic factors that are responsible for certain diseases in our community and culture. The second point is related to the fact that from now on the American University students of labs and any other medical lines will be enabled to have access to our facilities in terms of laboratories and other medical facilities.
Hi, as an MLS senior student from American University of Iraq Salamani, I'm really happy to be here, and I think this event is really important for the students and especially for the seniors for their future career, which we will be able to practically and physically be at hospitals and use the devices and get familiar with the stuff, and it will really be helpful for the students to know and learn how to have in-person interaction with patients, which will be really helpful for the future.